Rather strong colors of autumn. Welcome to this autumn tour of the garden. I'll be showing you beautiful flowers, dahlias like this, and the rest of the beauties here at Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where I grow, cook, and share. Hello, it's end of the gardening season and it's time to clear up. But before we close the gardening season, there are just beautiful flowers, late bloomers that are worth sharing, and there are vegetables as well. Join me in this late autumn tour of the garden. Can you see this? Look how beautiful these flowers are. These are my newest acquisitions. And if you notice, the flowers or the roses are still in bloom.
Goedemorgen. Oh, sorry. Neem niet kwalijk.
Wat?
Schrok je.
Ja.
Zijn jullie er ook of niet?
Nee, is niet vandaag.
Oh, sorry. Nee, dan... je was met... Oh, sorry, jij bent niet kwalijk.
Is goed. This Alex, he scared me. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Let's resume with our description of the flowers. Is Grace daar?
Ik ga vandaag
Okay. What an interruption. Okay, let's talk about these flowers. These flowers, these roses, bloom the longest. Early spring, not spring until now. They're still producing big displays. One of the late bloomers. Okay, look at this. Can you see them? What else do I have? More flowers here. And next to these flowers, this ornamental grass. Beautiful. To the dahlias. No many dahlias this year. Look, just two varieties. And I think there's another one here, there, and it's white. Very limited. How about the vegetables? For unknown reasons, my chayote here is always a success. For 3 consecutive years now. Look, lots of chayote fruits. But the other side, not. I'll show you the other side as well. This is the other side. This is the chayote that I was talking about, which has only 2 fruits. The first and the second here. And here it is, the second. Precious second. And planted this in a pot, expecting to overwinter it this year. We might as well show you the inside of the greenhouse. It's been a successful harvest of ampalaya this year. Look, they're beginning to yellow due to the lack of sunshine. But what surprised me is this. All of a sudden, I have sand here. Something, an animal, dug a hole here and has been holding sand here. What do you think it is? There are still kangkongs. I look back to here, and coming soon, the big harvest, taro leaves. It's not all flowers and vegetables or tropical vegetables. There are local vegetables here as well. I've got here sprouting broccoli. It's a sprouting broccoli, yeah? To be harvested perhaps in early spring. and artichokes hopefully next year, plus other veggies. And the rest, it's over. Even the asparagus began to yellow. It's end of summer season indeed. I hope you can stay with me because I'll be showing more flowers of my garden and of my neighbors. Enjoy this flower. And that concludes our tour, late autumn tour of the garden. I think this is a fitting place to say goodbye. Thank you for joining me here on this late autumn tour of the garden. This has been Romulo, and you're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I'd like to see you on my next uploads and on existing videos as we grow, cook, and share.